Hi, I'm Carla of Home-Style&Botanicals. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing how to make your cleaning goals smart, how to make your cleaning goals realistic, smart, and achievable. If cleaning is your jam, stay tuned. So recently I created a short video that was a realistic reset cleaning video. The end of spring is here and summertime is almost here, but don't forget your spring cleaning, fans, floorboards, and top of the fridge. How to get it done, you say? Hit a 15-minute realistic reset each day, and a few cleaning items later, it's done. And I wanted to elaborate on what I meant by realistic reset. So a realistic reset for me is using the SMART goals method as a framework to actually get my goals completed and to getting my goals accomplished. I use the SMART goal method. It's a really simple method that you can use, and I will put the acronym here on the screen and what SMART goals really are. So the acronym for SMART, the S is for specific, the M is for measurable, the A is for achievable, the R is for relevant, and the T is for timely or being in a time frame fashion. If you make your goals SMART, you should be able to accomplish primarily anything. Any goals that I have in life, I really do like using the SMART goals method. I get the opportunity to work with individuals where I can share with them on how to use the SMART goal format and framework to getting their goals achieved. And so I do utilize it. I completed the task of cleaning our floorboards, our fans, and on top of our refrigerator. So because the task is going to require that I go around all of the rooms and hit all of the floorboards and the ceiling fans, I decided to give myself a time frame of when I wanted to have it done, which was probably over the next week. So since I knew that I was going to work on this task over the next week, I said I can't dedicate every single day 2 or 3 hours a day working on floorboards and the fans and the refrigerator. So what I decided to do was just break it down in small intervals where I know that I can accomplish the goal and get it done in a timely fashion where the task at hand was just not taking up too much of my time. And that's kind of sort of how I like to do things, especially now that I'm getting a little older. It's different with my cleanup. I used to could just zip through the house and get the whole house done in a day. It's not like that anymore, and so I just prefer not to work on cleaning up 3-4 hours in one day when I can just get things done, say in 15-minute increments over the course of 5 to 7 days. It's easier on my body, it's easier on my mindset, and I do get the task done. To make it doable so I'm actually getting the task done, I write the goal down and I frame it in a way that I know that I can get it done using the SMART method. So it's going to be specific, it's going to be measurable, it's going to be attainable and achievable, it's going to be relevant and timely. It's kind of sort of the end of spring cleaning, going into summer. I'm still getting things done around the house, and I just want to knock this out. Floorboards are something that I don't know anyone who likes to do floorboards. Do you? I'm just not into it. And if you like to do floorboards, you're welcome to come and help me do ours. We do not mind at all. So what my goal looks like for me written down is, and I will scroll it on the screen, I will complete floorboards, ceiling fans, and the top of the fridge for 15 minutes a day for the next 7 days. This makes my goal specific by stating what it is that I'm going to be doing, measurable because the goal can be tracked on when it should be achieved, achievable because the goal is realistic and attainable. It is realistic for me to go around the room and hit all of the floorboards. It's not taking me outside of the realm, like I'm not getting on top of the roof and trying to clean off anything on top of the roof. That's not achievable for me. So for me, doing the floorboards, doing the fan, and on top of the fridge is something that is achievable. So that's what makes that achievable and attainable. It's a relevant goal because for me, it's about that time. It's, the end of springtime. I haven't done it so far, and I do want to be able to get it done. So it's a relevant goal. It's something that needs to be done. And the time frame is the 15-minute interval over the next 7 days. That's the time frame that I'm giving myself to have the goal done. And that is how you create a SMART goal. That's a realistic reset goal for your cleaning goals. It's never too late to get your spring cleaning on, so happy cleaning. This is Carla with Home-Style&Botanicals. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit that subscribe button and set your bell. Tap tap. Leave me a comment in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up. Happy cleaning. Thanks for watching. Bye. Boop.